Hi, isolated problems. In order to get mastery in aptitude and reasoning, do subscribe our channel and press the bell icon next to it. So guys, do sit with pen and paper so that you can practice and pause and solve the questions before I will reveal the answers. So in between each question, I will be giving 10 seconds to think and solve the questions, or else you can pause the video and solve the question. The answer is the difference between 13 and 11 is 2. The difference between 20 and 13 is 7. The difference between 48 and 20 is 28. The difference between 111 minus 48 is 63. So guys, this series is not making any sense. So what we can do is we can write 2 as 1 cube plus 1, and we can write 7 as 2 cube minus 1. We can write 28 as 3 cube plus 1, and we can write 63 as 4 cube minus 1, and we can write, and then the series will goes on. So the next term will become 5 cube plus 1. So 5 cube plus 1 is equals to 126. So 126 is the difference between the missing number and the previous number. So guys, try to add 126 plus 111, you will get the missing number. That's it. Guys, you can pause and solve and try it before I will reveal the answers. Just try yourself. So the difference between 45 and 42 is 3. The difference between 52 and 45 is 7. The difference between 65 and 52 is 13. The difference between 86 and 65 is 21. So guys, this series is not making any sense. So we have to do double difference. So in order to double difference, let's see, the difference between 7 and 3 is 4. The difference between 13 and 7 is 6. The difference between 21 and 13 is 8. So guys, this series is making some sense. The coming like that, even numbers are coming like that, 4, 6, 8. So the next number will be 10. So what you have to do is add this 10 with this 21, so it will give you 31. 31 is the difference between the missing number and the existing previous number 86. So if you add 86 plus 31, it will get you missing numbers. Isn't it easy, right? So guys, let's see. 7 into 1, we can write 7 as 7 into 1 minus 2, that is equals to 5. The next number will come. If we multiply 5 into 2 minus, we will do minus 3, that will give you 7. The next number, 7 into 3 minus 4, that will give you 17. The next number, if you multiply 17 into 4 minus 5, it gives you 63. So guys, this you can observe the series is going like this: 1, 2, 3, 4. So and subtraction like this: 2, 3, 4, 5. And the next terms will become like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So if you multiply 63 with 5 and subtract with 6, you will get the missing number. That's it. So this is also belongs to double difference problem. So the difference between 14 and 7 is 7. The difference between 30 and 14 is 16. The difference between 56 and 30 is 26. The difference between 93 and 56 is 37. So guys, this series is not making any sense. So we have to do double difference. So the difference between 16 and 7 is 9. The difference between 26 and 16 is 10. The difference between 37 and 26 is 11. So this series is making some logic and sense. So the numbers are going like this in a chronological order: 9, 10, 11. So the next term will be 12. So if you add this 12 with this 37, it will get you the difference between the missing number and the previous number, 93. So if you add 49 with 93, you will get that missing number. That's it. So guys, this is also belongs to double difference question. So if the difference between 14 and 11, it will give you 3. The difference between 19 and 14 is 5. The difference between 28 and 19 is 9. The difference between 43 and 28 is 15. So this series is not making any sense. So we have to double difference. So the difference between 5 and 3 is 2. The difference between 9 and 5 is 4. The difference between 15 and 9 is 6. So this series is making some sense. The numbers are like even numbers: 2, 4, 6. So the next term will be 8. If you add this 8, it will get you, you add with 15, it will give you the difference between the missing number and the previous number, 43. So if you add 43 plus 23, it will get you 66. That is the missing number.